Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to REALME C63. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now you can click on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you're ready, select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of REALME. Also on Google Pixel, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can pick all of your files to send. Like that. I will go with only a few just for example. In the last two categories, Contacts and Files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in white pop-up. Now select Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on REALME. Close an ad. Click on while using the app or only this time in this pop-up to allow camera access, and finally point your REALME's camera at the code. In order to input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And to connect, hit red Receive button. Then wait. Close or ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!